I stumbled upon a broken old radio one day, and instead of tossing it, I decided to fix it. That simple repair ignited a passion for electronics. I started collecting discarded gadgets, learning how to breathe new life into them. With each successful fix, I realized I could do more than just repair, I could recycle. I began dismantling e-waste, salvaging precious metals and components. Fast forward a few years, and what started as a hobby turned into a thriving e-waste recycling empire. Now, I'm not just saving electronics. I'm helping the planet, one circuit board at a time.